Dear student, welcome back to Dr. Shrikant Pharmacy channel. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest pharmacy video. So today I came with the topic Introduction to Pharmacokinetic. So this is very much important in a examination. So today we are learning what are the basic kinetics of the in pharmacokinetic. Okay, so what is this kinetic? Kinetics is nothing but movement or speed. What is the speed? Speed of a ADME process, absorption, distribution, metabolism process. And what is the process? Process is nothing but how the reaction is processing, whether it is in a zero order, whether it is in a first order. Okay, so elaborately we are explaining in this class the what is in a zero order process and what are the first order process. Okay, so what is a zero order process? Zero order process, or in simplest word, it is called as an independent of the concentration. Okay, so if the speed of the ADME, that is an absorption, distribution, metabolism, is not depend or does not depend upon the dose of the drug, so that is called as an zero order process. जो भी रिएक्शन प्रोसेस अगर कंसंट्रेशन इंडिपेंडेंट रहे तो और रिएक्टेंट का रिएक्शन इंडिपेंडेंट रहे तो उसको बोलते हैं जीरो ऑर्डर प्रोसेस. एग्जाम्पल जो है ना, एक्टिव अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ राइबोफ्लेविन ऑन GIT. द कॉमन इक्वेशन विच इज यूज्ड फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ जीरो ऑर्डर इज अ CT, दैट इज एन concentration time. Okay, concentration with respect to time, and C0 is nothing but the initial concentration of reactant at a zero time, whereas CT is the concentration of reactant remaining at a time, and K0T is K0 is nothing but a zero order constant. T stands for the time. So when you plot the time versus the concentration of the reactant remaining at a time, that is in a CT, you will get a straight line. With a slope of a negative slope value, with a slope of negative minus K0T. When you intercept the y-axis, so you will get the C0 equation. Okay, so any half of the process of reaction, the time taken for process of the completion of half of the any process, so that is called as a half life. What is a half life? Half life मतलब ये हो जाता half of the reaction process हो जाता ना, जब complete होने के बाद उसको बोलते half life of the particular drug. So let me discuss the what is the first order process. So zero order is a concentration independent, whereas if the speed of ADME, it depends on the dose of the drug, so that is called as a first order process. So example for that first order process are the absorption, distribution, metabolism of the drug. The equation which is commonly used to calculate the first order reaction is the log of CT equals to log of C0 minus K1. K1 stand for the first order constant. T divided by 2.303. ये जो इक्वेशन है ना, ये इक्वेशन से हम लोग फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का रिएक्शन प्रोसेस का ADME कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. So when you plot similarly like zero order time versus log of CT, you will get the straight line with the slope of a negative value. So that is a minus K1 by 2.303, and if you intercept the y-axis, you will get the log of C0. And any reaction, any process, if the time taken for half of the process completed, so it is called as a half life of the particularly. So T half of a first order process is 0.693 by K1. K1 is nothing but a first order constant. इससे हम लोग ये कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रेट प्रोसेस में हाफ लाइफ ऑफ द particularly. So these basic kinetics are very much important when you judging the what is a dose of the particular drug to a patient, or what is a duration is required to give the particular dose to the particular patient. For example, paracetamol is there, so how many how many times has to be taken, and what is the quantity has to be taken. So these information will get from the basics of the kinetics. So that is nothing but elaborately, if you study the proper pharmacokinetics, will come to know what is a dose to be fixed for the particular individual, along with what is a dose has to be given for the frequency. So take an example, paracetamol is having the half life is 4 hours, means the next dose, first dose when you given after the 4 hours or 5 hours, again we have to give the one more dose, so that the required concentration will be maintained for the required pharmacological action. So thank you very much for watching this video. It's the basic information regarding the what are the reaction process, first order, zero order will be crossing in the pharmacokinetic study. Thank you very much for watching this video.